Capillary systems are designed and installed to precisely deliver chemicals to the area in need. We like to say, put the medicine where the pain is. Capillary systems is a proven, cost-effective method of treating all forms of artificial lift. It helps reduce costs associated with well failures. It ensures longer run times, which means more production. Capillary comes in a variety of sizes and alloy selections. Most commonly is the 1/4 inch and 3/8 OD with a 2205 alloy as kind of the workhorse in the industry. You also have 825 and 625 Inconel when you have more harsh conditions you're dealing with. Following best practices with capillary, proper design, proper installation, and follow-up maintenance is really essential to utilize one system over the life of your well and provide your company with the best return on investment. Capillary can be installed two different methods. One of them is banding the capillary to the outside of the production tubing, and this is deployed and pulled with a workover unit and a spooling trailer. That process usually takes about a full day. The second method is snubbing the capillary in live well flowing conditions. You're going to snub the capillary down to the desired depth based off a weight indicator and a counter. If you can visualize like a small coiled tubing unit with an injector head, this is how you run capillary. And you cut it off at the wellhead. You run a 5K or 10K pack off with a set of slips, hook it into the chemical pump and leave location. Come back and you can pull it in 4 hours and use it on another well. There have actually been over 10,000 of these installed throughout Texas and Louisiana.